Now, example 8. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 3 equals to 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. Find them if they are real. First we find discriminant. Then find its nature. It's greater than 0, less than 0 or equal to 0. Then we write its nature. Suppose it is possible. Find the nature of its roots. Suppose it is possible if they are real. They are real, then we find roots. Our equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 3 equals to 0. Find the discriminant. What is formula discriminant? D is equals to b square minus 4ac. Then here indicate a equals to 3, b equals to minus 2 and c is equals to 1. Discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac equals to minus 2 square minus 4. A that means 3 and C that means 1 upon 3. Minus 2 square is equals to 4. Minus 3 cut 4 1s are 4 equals to 0. If discriminant is equals to 0, our condition D is equals to 0, then its nature roots are real and equal. Then roots are, what is its nature? Find the nature. Roots are real and equal. Why real and equal? D is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. Okay? Its root, find them. They are real. We know its formula. If D is equals to 0, what is its formula? Find roots. It is, we know this minus b under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b plus minus, but simply we use its roots. X is equals to minus b upon 2a. X is equals to minus b upon 2a. Simple, this formula is equals to minus b is equals to, what is value of b? Minus 2 upon 2. A is equals to 3 is equals to 2 upon 2 into 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. And equals to minus 2 upon 2 into 3 equals to 2 by 2 into 3 equals to 1 upon 3. Then find roots. Roots are 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Both are equal and real number. Okay? Again, find the discriminant of this equation. We find here discriminant using formula D is equals to b square minus 4ac. We get D is equals to 0. If D is equals to 0, then its roots are real and equal. Then roots are real and equal. Then find roots. Its roots. If D is equals to 0, then discriminant is equals to 0. Then roots x is equals to minus b upon 2a minus b upon 2a. Then we find x is equals to 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. In next lecture, we take exercise 4.4. Good morning. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. First we find the nature of the roots. How we find the nature of the roots? We find discriminant, then we see their discriminants conditions, and we see their nature of roots. Suppose they are real, then we find its roots. Here, first we find discriminant of this equation. A is equals to 2. What is our discriminant formula? Yes, D is equals to, or discriminant is equals to B square minus 4AC. D is equals to B square, that means minus B square minus 4. What is the value of A? A is equals to 2, C is equals to 5, equals to minus 3 square, 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 9 minus 40 is equals to minus 31. Discriminant is minus 31. Minus 31 is less than 0. D less than 0. What is the nature of its roots? Nature, then the equation has no roots. D less than 0. Here, discriminant less than 0. Therefore, equation has no real root. Equation has no real root. Now, second one. In first equation, we find discriminant less than 0. Therefore, we say that equation has no real root, or roots are not exist. Number second, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Indicate A is equals to, yes, B is equals to minus 4 root 3 and C is equals to 4. Then we find discriminant. D is equals to B square minus 4AC minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4. A is equals to 3, C is equals to 4. What is the square of minus 4 root 3? Square minus becomes plus, 4 square is equals to 16, root 3 square is equals to 3. Minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Here 16 3s are 48 minus 48 equals to 0. D is equals to 0. If discriminant is equals to 0, then equation has equal real root. Then equation has equal real roots. Exist, find them. D equals to 0, then it is exist. Find them. How we find? Roots we find using general formula, quadratic formula, minus b. Here d is equals to 0, then using formula minus b upon 2a. X is equals to, both are same. x is equals to minus b upon 2a equals to b is equals to 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 upon 2a. A is equals to 3. Minus minus plus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. 2 2 za. Here 2 root 3 by 3 or factors of 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 cut. Therefore 2 by root 3. Roots are 2 by root 3. Minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3 equals to 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4. 2 root 3 upon factor of 3 is equals to root 3 into root 3 is equals to 2 by root 3. Then roots of this equations are, you write that roots of this equation are 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3. Now number 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 6 and C is equals to 3. D is equals to our formula. Yes, B square minus 4AC minus 6 square minus 4, 2 and 3. 36 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 is equals to 12. D is equals to 12. Therefore, D greater than 0. Which type of its roots? It has equation has two unequal real root. Equation has unequal real roots. You find its roots on self. Dx is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to minus. What is b? B is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. What is the value? 12 upon 2 into a is equal to 2. 6 plus minus square root of 12. 4 3s are 12. Then square root of 4 is equal to, here you write, don't write 4 root 3 and 6 plus minus square root of 4, 2 root 3 upon 2 into 2. Common factor 2. 2 3s are 6 plus minus root 3 upon 2 into 2 is equals to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and x is equals to 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay? You write down question number 1 of exercise 4.4. Find discriminant, then say nature of its and find its roots Question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. In this question, find the value of k. If quadratic equation have two equal roots. When quadratic equation have equal roots, if its discriminant is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has equal roots. Here we write equation has two equal roots. Two equal roots. So, discriminant d is equal to 0. What is value of d? Implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. B is equal to k and c is equal to 3. A is equal to 2. Therefore, b square, k square minus 4. What is the value of a? 2 and c is equal to 3 is equal to 0. Square of k is equal to k square minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 equals to 0. K square is equal to 24. Otherwise, you find here factor k plus 24, k minus 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. Therefore, k is equal to plus minus under root 24. To write both value plus minus under root 24. What is under root 24? Factors of 6 4s are 4 6 are. Then k is equal to plus minus square root of 4 2 root 6. Then value of k is equal to 2 root 6 and or 2 minus 2 root 6. 2 root 6 or k is equal to minus 2 root 6. Again, these types are question most important. Find the value of k if the roots are real and equal. Here we identify a, b and c. Roots are equal, therefore b square, b is equal to 0. And find k. Suppose in question, roots are unequal, then we write d greater than 0 and find k. Do roots are not exist, then we write d less than 0 condition and find k. In this question, we have given roots are equal. Two roots are equal. Therefore, discriminant is equal to 0. First, simplify this equation. Now, number second, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Multiply kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A equals to k, b equals to minus 2k and c is equals to 6. Find values of k for each of the following quadratic equation, they have two equal roots. Then we write equation has two equal roots. Then d is equals to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is the value of d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 2k square minus 4k and 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2 square 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k equals to 0. Find its roots. Common factor 4k, k minus 6, 6 4s are 24 equals to 0. 4k equals to 0 and k minus 6 is equals to 0. Here 4k equals to 0, guys, k is equals to 0 and k minus 6 is equals to 0. K is equals to 6. Then value of k equals to 0 and 6. Value of 0 and 6. K is equals to 0 and 6. And satisfy this equation. You put in this value, then justify. Here put value 0 plus 6. 0. K is equals to 0 and 6. Here 6. K into 6 x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Then its solution becomes here 6. Value of k is equals to 0 and 6. But we put here k is equals to 0 in equation. 0 into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0, 6 is equals to 0, which is not satisfies the equation. But k is equals to 0 is not satisfies the equation. Therefore, and 6, putting 6x into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0, x minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. 6 satisfies this equation and therefore k is equals to 6 and but k is not 0 and k is equals to 6 satisfies this equation. So k is equals to 6. Value of k is equals to 6. K is equals to 0 and 6, but k value k here. K is equals to 0 and 6, but k is equals to 0 is not satisfied the equation and k is equals to 6 satisfy this equation, so k is equals to 6. Again kx square minus 2kx, put value d, roots are equal, therefore d is equals to 0. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. We get 4k into k minus 6 is equals to 0. 4k equals to 0. k minus 6 is equals to 0. K is equals to 0 and k is equals to 6. But here, we put here k is equals to 0, then 0 plus 6 is equals to 0, 6 is equals to 0, which is not possible. Therefore, k is equals to 0 is not satisfies the equation. K is equals to 6, putting 6, then we will satisfy this equation. Therefore, value of k is equals to 6.